John is a worker. His job is to remove screws from a machine. There are two types of screws, slotted and cross. John has two screwdrivers, one for each type of screw. The input will be a string of screws, for example this. When John begins to work, he stands at the first screw with the correct screwdriver in his hand and another in his toolkit. He works from left to right, removing every screw. When necessary, he switches between the screwdriver in his hand and the one in his toolkit. Each action takes a set amount of time. Remove one screw is 1 second. Move to the next screw is 1 second. Switch screwdrivers, 5 seconds. Your task is to return the total time taken to remove all the screws in seconds. Examples. In order to be more clear, we use A, B, C, D, E, F to represent the screws. The number in brackets is the time in seconds, which is 16 seconds. Another example, 36 seconds. And variations. Series, which is pretty much all of this. Okay, right, I'm using JavaScript for this solution, and let's do it. The function sc calculates the sum based on the screws array. It initializes the sum variable to 1. Then, it iterates through the screws array starting from the second element. For each iteration, it compares the current screw with the previous screw. If they are equal, it adds 2 to the sum, otherwise it adds 7. Finally, it returns the calculated sum.